Top 5 World Best Automotive Car Manufacturing. The top 5 best automotive car manufacturing companies in the world are determined by a combination of factors including global sales, innovation, reliability, brand value, and technological leadership. As of 2025, these 5 automakers stand out for their excellence. 1. Toyota Motor Corporation Japan. Why it's the best? World's largest automaker by volume. Known for reliability, fuel efficiency, and hybrid innovation, e.g. Prius. Strong presence across all segments: economy, luxury Lexus, and hybrids EVs. Massive global production network and high resale value. 2. Volkswagen Group Germany. Brands: Volkswagen, Audi, Porsche, Lamborghini, Bentley, Bugatti, Skoda, Seat. Why it's among the best? Second largest automaker globally. Broad portfolio from affordable to ultra-luxury. Leader in electric vehicle transformation, e.g. VW ID series, Porsche Taycan. Strong engineering and German build quality. 3. Tesla Inc. USA. Why it's leading the industry, dominates the global EV market. Advanced self-driving technology, autopilot, FSD. Strong brand loyalty and cutting-edge battery technology. Software-focused innovation sets it apart from traditional automakers. 4. Mercedes-Benz Group AG Germany. Why it's iconic, synonymous with luxury, comfort, and engineering. Pioneered many safety and tech features, e.g. ABS, pre-safe. Strong EV growth with EQ series, e.g. EQS, EQE. High brand value and strong global presence. 5. BMW Group Germany. Brands: BMW, Mini, Rolls-Royce. Why it's world-class, known for performance, luxury, and ultimate driving machine experience. High-tech interiors and precision engineering. Strong in both ICE and EV markets, e.g. i4, 9.